Thank you so much for that. And thank you for all these speakers. Thanks you for you all being out on a Tuesday night like this. This is amazing. Still feels very unreal, has since May when I won the primary. Was still not 100% prepared for that, even after seeing all the support in the community. When I was thinking about what to say here tonight, I looked up the words of one of my heroes from Indiana, from Terre Haute, Eugene Debs, who ran for president on a Socialist Party ticket, even from a jail cell when he was jailed for opposing World War I. Debs gave a speech. This is the speech that actually got him locked up. Not trying to do that tonight. But one line in particular stuck out to me. He said, "What I say here amounts to but little. What I see here is exceedingly important. You workers," he said in Ohio, we're not in Ohio, "enlisted in the greatest cause ever organized in the interest of your class, are making history today in the face of threatening opposition of all kinds. History that is going to be read with profound interest by coming generations." That still rings true today. It's what, I think 101 years later. Today, I'm gonna go ahead and call it with 96% reporting. I became the first openly socialist elected official in Indiana that I know of in my lifetime. Possibly ever, haven't been able to prove that yet. That had very little to do with me, Jesse Brown, the person. In the tradition of Eugene Debs, Bernie Sanders, and all the great working class heroes throughout history, I have to remind you, our victory tonight is not at all about me, it's about us.
Thank you.
This victory is about the amazing speech writing, editing, moral support, and lifelong partnership of my amazing wife, Mary Kate.
Yeah!
That's right, give it up. It's about the voters of District 13 who agreed with a socialist slogan, "A better world is possible," so much that they dumped the council vice president and sent a clear message that weak and tepid liberalism are no longer good enough for them. It's about all the speakers you've heard here tonight who refuse to give up on hope and who continue building on our beautiful collective dreams, even in the face of war, austerity, and a ruling class that insists that our current system is eternal. It's about the urbanists, the socialists, the abolitionists, the mutual aid groups, and the other fighters for a better world that are gathered here tonight. Together, we have made history tonight. But tonight is unimportant. What is important is what comes next. Together, we're going to set a new model of transparency, accountability, and control by the people. Together, we're putting the system on notice that whether the powers that be like it or not, we're coming. This is not the result of our revolution. This is the beginning. Thank you.